or welcome back to my channel. I recently bought this Gillette Venus Breeze Razor. So in this video, let's see how to use this first impression demo on this Gillette Venus Razor. This is how the box looks like. This box is priced at rupees 325, but you can always get this on offer. This box is holographic and of very good quality. It comes with a seal. This is how it looks. It has a tiny little plastic box to open. Let's see what's inside this. It has the blade along with the gel bars attached to it. These gel bars are nothing but just soap bars. Since it comes with a gel bar, we don't need a separate soap or foam to shave a body. And that's the handle. This has a rubber grip to make sure there's no slip while gliding. And lastly, there's an instruction manual. So these are the contents of the box. Now let's move on to the demo. This is how you will have to attach the razor blade with the handle. Just give it a push and you're done. I have quite some amount of hair growth on my hand. Not too much, but good enough to be removed. The instruction says to first hydrate the skin with water. For that I am spraying some water on my hand. The procedure can also be done while in shower. Now I am gliding the Venus Razor against the direction of my hair growth. You can see the gel bar came in contact with the water and foams up. Now I am done. It hardly took me a minute to shave my hand. Now I will rinse my hand with water and be back. It's kind of gross to show this on camera, but we got to do what we got to do. So this is the amount of the hair it removed. I'm going to repeat the same procedure on my other hand too. Now my hands feel very soft and very smooth, guys. It feels like a baby's skin. There's absolutely no pain, no irritation and no discomfort whatsoever. The instruction says to apply moisturizer after shaving and we are done. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Viti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.